If you want to start with some pictures, please take pictures. Will be like a nice memory that you are here in the deserts of Morocco and you are discovering a fossilized marble stone. Of course, something unique and exclusive from this area. We have that small mountain. We call them Bouchrafin mountain. Exactly in that mountain, please, we discovered our fossilized marble stone. And that was in 1960. After 1960, we discovered, please, other places, other quarry, automatically other type of fossil. The second quarry, or the second location, was just behind that mountain. There. It's very close to us. Some starfish, please. You know starfish?
Yeah.
There we can find some beautiful starfish and trilobite. We'll talk, please. So beautiful.
Look at all the fossils there. There's lots and lots of them there. We see our shadows on there too from our group. But yeah, very nice. Look at that. All different kinds in there.
As I said before, please remember.
Can I get in close for a second here?
Product like this. We have fossils from other parts in the world, but it's totally different than here. Why? Because we are so lucky here. Million years difference between that slab and this slab, please. And which difference between his morphology? You can see that very well. Very simple. Look at those chambers. Because today you call him chamber nautilus because it has those chambers. So please, when you find them curved like this. Yes, please. As I said, each one unique, each one different than the other, of course.
Wow.
Yeah. And this one also, I love this one. If you touch here, it's not flat.
Oh, okay.
So he sculpt. He work with his machine, with his abrasive disc, please. He sculpt the fossil, please. He tried to find the whole body, the fossil. Also, 1 year, 1 chamber more. 1 year, 1 chamber more. Those are. So like a tree. That's how comes bigger. Yes, please. You know pumice stone? Of course. So please, that we use it for polishing marble or, you know, metals or other things. Just please, we have like 2 colors. If you have white, it's for polishing this stone. If you have blue, it's for polishing silver, metals, jewelry and other things. So pumice stone, it comes from French, la terre de Semer, from Nîmes. And we need something really particular. Means what? Means natural polishing, no chemical product. We need a denim, blue jeans. Yes, please. Recycle denim. So we try to find some. You can touch, please. You can see it's only denim, please. Yeah. So we try to find some denim, and please, we open that side. We make some circles. We make a hole. We fix them with the machine. Turn quick as possible. A little bit pumice stone and buffer. That's how we polish this stone, of course. Means what? Means natural polishing. You don't need any chemical product, just please natural polishing. So we'll see that with the so this one it's polished. He will just clean it for us. زيت الأحمر اللي بدنا ناخذ شوية فك, please. You can take video or picture if you want, please.
Here's a table that they made here. Look at this here. Comes right in close to the nautilus, right in the center, and they get all these other ones out here.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Can I? Yes, look at this one here. It's a little bit hard to know. So it's just still luck, by luck, to find them inside. Sometimes you find, many times you don't find. That's still very normal. So please, Let's talk about those fossils. What do you call them? Yes, sir, trilobites. Why, please? Because each organism composed of 3 lobes. 1, 2, 3. 3 lobes. The same things. 1, 2, 3. That's first. Second, those are arthropod. Arthropod, please, means a little bit.
Ah, yeah, the eye on there.
Yes,
right
please.
there.
Drotops. We have one similar like this. Where?
Wow.
In Colorado, please. United States. Horse lace. Bring stone from the desert, from the quarry. For sure that you need a lot of material, of course.
Big saw.
This is a cutting machine with a big blood of diamond, and we use here. You know, because we'll visit another room. It's not the you know, the official room. This is like a new exhibition, please.
Ah,
We are
okay.
just building these now, and you know,
Very nice.
putting those beautiful things here. So I need to talk because we'll not find something like this one in the other room, please. That's why we are here, and that's why we stop here, please. So okay, closer, please.
Okay.
So this is the black stone. The black stone, we find it in 1960, please. 1960, we discovered this quarry about 5 kilometers from here, from this area. And the black stone has orthoceras. When you say, please, orthoceras, means what? The first evolution of what? Squid, our squid. So here inside this stone, we have many squid, about 360 million years old, like there, please. You can see that
Okay.
description. Exactly, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's made by hand.
Italy Azores, so it's the island off island. So it's tercera. So it's. Well, we're in the shop here where you can buy all kinds of stuff, and they got tons of stuff here. You know, plates, fossils. Oh, meteorites. I missed those. I missed the meteorites. I'll have to come back and look at those. The plates, tables, chairs, plates, everything here. The beautiful sculptures here, out of the stone, a lot of things, all the nautiluses, and coming up to the things that I bought. I bought one of these jobbies up here because it wouldn't fall down as much. That I might knock it over, so I bought one of these. But you got plates, everything here you can want. You got beautiful tables. You got look at this guy here. Where if I had a room at home, that would be great, and they could ship it. And a beautiful table here. Somebody might buy. Look at this little one here too, and this one here. Alright, and more stuff over there. I need a bigger house, that's for sure. Well, guys working up there, so it's a little noisy out here. But there's some of the different rocks from outside here, where they find different things on here. Look at this one here. And there's all the little draggy things in there. Look at that. And here, this one's got a little doodad in there. Look at this, it's got some clear stuff in there. Look at that. Right in there. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Little piece. Yeah, that's something there. That would be good. The desert rose here. Trilobites up here. Yeah, all kinds of stuff there. Another little jobby in there. Okay. It's noisy because they're cutting something up there. But here's one in here. You can see all the different things. And if you come up here, yeah, he's cutting up there with the big saw. I'm not going to go up there because they probably don't want me close by, but you can see the water coming off of it there with that gigantic wheel that we saw earlier to slice up the slabs. Okay. Well, this is the fossil place, the main entrance. We didn't go in here, but the sun's shining right in me, so I'm trying to stay in the shade here to show you this building. But of course, down in the description and the verbiage down at the bottom that you have to read, I'll put more details and maybe a web link if I can find it for this place. I didn't see any cards inside or anything there. So, and there's our trusty vehicles waiting over there. So we had a nice tour. I bought something here, a little something to take home, and here's the road out here, looking here, and turn down here, and they got a nightclub over there, Le Baron nightclub. Oh, I wonder what that's going on, shaking down there. And yeah, look at the streets, very nice streets. They got all this white and green stuff painted all along here. Very neat, both sides of the road. Not too much traffic in this town here. This is, I believe, Erfoud in Morocco. So yeah, okay. We're going to go back on the road. We're going to be sleeping in tents tonight. Okay.